How are TikToks different from Reels and those different from YouTube Shorts? We have seen all types of short videos become popular, but what are the real differences between these platforms and how do you utilize short videos for your business growth? Let's see. Hi, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about social media marketing for business and how to make more money online. If you're interested in these kind of topics, make sure to click the subscribe button below. Now, the first thing about short videos is that you can use all of these platforms to grow your online business with video marketing. But there are a few different strategies that you need to approach with each, so we're going to talk about all of them one by one. For TikTok, the first thing you need is an optimized business account for your business, for your brand. This will help you gain visibility with your short videos. If you want to learn how to utilize TikTok for business, make sure to watch this video right here. You will need to create content around your products or services or whatever you're offering in two different types, by using trends or popular sounds and by using original sounds as well, and providing free content for your audience. Posting consistently is a must if you want to grow faster and if you want to grow in views and traffic to your website as well. What is a lot for TikTok? I suggest posting from 1 to 2 videos per day if you really want to see growth and if you want people to have a chance at seeing your videos on the For You page. Now let's talk about Instagram Reels. How are they different? If you want your Reels to actually bring you traffic and bring you sales to your business, you will need an optimized business account for your Instagram. So in this video, I share exactly how to optimize one, how to optimize it for SEO, what type of content to post, and much more. You will need high quality content posted on your feed, as well as high quality videos or short videos. You can use photos or videos for your Reels. Consistency with posting Reels is also very important if you want to see traffic coming to your Instagram account and then to your website. But for Instagram, you can also post 3 to 5 Reels per week and also see growth. But obviously, posting more would bring you more benefits. But you also don't want to flood your audience or the people that already follow you with a bunch of content daily. Maybe spreading it out is a little bit better. Now, what about YouTube Shorts? What kind of approach do you need to take with these? Posting YouTube Shorts without having an optimized YouTube channel will not bring you a lot of benefits if you also want to grow your YouTube channel, obviously. So a YouTube channel you are also consistent on is very important if you want to grow with YouTube Shorts. So make sure you also post consistent videos on your YouTube channel, as well as post consistent shorts made out of your YouTube videos and send people to see the full video. If you need more YouTube growth tutorial, you will have them in this playlist right here. Now, YouTube is a platform about videos, so for YouTube Shorts, I highly recommend using videos only and not YouTube Shorts from photos as you did with Reels or maybe TikToks. Now, what are my tips for actually what type of content you need to post on these platforms and in the form of short videos? Now, you can make TikToks from 1 minute to 10 minutes long, and they can be fun educational videos. They can be daily vlogs, they can be videos following different trends, CapCut templates, your own unique videos combined with trending sounds, if you want to appear on the For You page and more people to find your page. TikTok is also a lot about music, so if you find a unique video that you can create based on a song that is popular at a time, that is also a really good idea. Now, Reels can be up to 90 seconds long, and these can be educational, they can also be fun videos or short vlogs. You can also use Reels to answer your audience's questions, and for Instagram, you need to make sure that you use a nice cover for each reel that you also share to your feed, but you need to make sure that that cover that you're adding is also going really well with the aesthetic of your profile to keep that cohesive look. To promote your reels, you can also share them to stories, to your feed, as I mentioned. You can tag products in reels, you can tag people in reels, you can add the topic of the reel, and also add hashtags and optimize it with a caption as well. Now, for YouTube Shorts, these are going to appear on the Shorts little section on your YouTube channel, and make sure that the YouTube Shorts you're creating are related to the content you're already creating on your YouTube channel, because you want people to see your YouTube Shorts, you want them to check out your channel and subscribe to your channel and see more of your videos. YouTube Shorts are also now monetized, so they are also a really great income opportunity. So make sure you use all these 3 ways to monetize your business and to grow your business's traffic. If you can't use all of them at once, make sure to take them one by one, grow one platform, and then invest in another. So there you go. This is how you use Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikToks to grow your online business. I have plenty more videos on these topics on my channel, so make sure to follow the playlist on my channel if you want to learn more about growing online and making money. Make sure to also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at Lydia.incomingsuccess for more such content weekly. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.